What if you could build a startup without hiring a full engineering team? Imagine having an AI that doesn't just generate code, but actually thinks like a technical co-founder, planning your product, managing tasks, testing builds, deploying updates, even remembering how your business works. That's exactly what Verdent AI is trying to become. And honestly, this feels less like an AI tool and more like the future of building companies. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're looking at Verdent AI, an AI platform designed to act as your full-time technical co-founder. Not just another coding assistant, but an AI system that can help founders, creators, startups, and developers go from idea to launch with way less stress. So instead of just talking about what Verdent can do, let me actually show you a real use case live right now. I am going to build a complete AI content management system for my YouTube channel, ideas, research, scripts, and a full posting schedule, all inside Verdent in one single conversation. Watch this. I give Verdent one instruction explaining what I need. It builds the entire system structure instantly. Now I ask it to generate video ideas, 10 fully formed concepts with titles and angles in seconds. I pick one and ask Verdent to research it. Notice I do not repeat any context. It already knows the full project. Now I ask it to write a complete script from that research. And finally, a 4-week posting calendar built from everything it already knows. Let's be honest, building a startup today is exhausting, especially if you're working alone. You're the CEO, the developer, the project manager, the designer, the QA tester, the operations team, and most AI tools still require constant supervision. You have to repeat instructions, manage every detail, and babysit the entire workflow. That's where Verdent changes the game. Instead of acting like a chatbot, Verdent acts like an actual technical partner. The first major thing is execution. You simply tell Verdent what you want to build, and it can break down tasks automatically, run workflows in parallel, test outputs, and organize progress for you. So instead of spending your entire day managing development, you can focus on growth, strategy, content, networking, or getting customers. This is the biggest shift. You stop micromanaging AI and start collaborating with it. Now, this part is actually huge. Verdent has long-term memory, which means the more you use it, the better it understands your company, your projects, your standards, and your workflow. Think about that. Normally, every new developer or freelancer needs onboarding, but Verdent remembers your feedback and keeps improving over time. That's incredibly powerful for startups and creators. Another feature I really like, Verdent works even when you're away. You can interact with it through Slack, Telegram, GitHub, Notion, Stripe, Supabase, and more. So imagine this. You're outside, traveling, in a meeting, or sleeping, and your AI co-founder is still writing code, running tests, checking deployments, and updating workflows in the background. That's a completely different level compared to normal AI assistants. Verdent also includes something called Pulse. This basically gives you visual control over projects. You can switch between dashboards, task boards, structured project views, and progress tracking with one click. So instead of messy workflows, everything becomes visual, organized, and easy to understand. Especially useful if you're managing multiple AI projects or startup ideas. If you've ever wanted a technical team without hiring a massive company, this is probably one of the closest things we've seen so far. The AI industry is moving beyond simple chatbots. Now we're entering the era of AI coworkers, AI operators, and AI co-founders, and Verdent is positioning itself directly in that future. Will AI completely replace development teams? Probably not anytime soon. But tools like Verdent can massively reduce workload, speed up execution, and help small teams compete like large companies. And honestly, that's where things start getting really interesting. If you want to check out Verdent AI for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you enjoy AI tools, AI startups, and future tech content, make sure to subscribe because we cover the most powerful AI platforms before everyone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.